Which of the following statement is true about force? First option, it cannot be seen. B option, it can move a stationary body. C option, it can change the shape of a body. D option, all of the above. So the correct answer is all of the above. Now question number second, the seat belts are provided in the car so that if the car stops suddenly due to an emergency braking, the person sitting on the front seats are not thrown forward violently and saved from getting injured. Can you guess the law due to which a person falls in forward direction on the sudden stopping of the car? So first option is Newton first law of motion, second Newton second law of motion, third option Newton third law of motion, last option D Newton law of gravitation. So the correct answer is Newton first law of motion. Now question number 3, which of the following objects has greater inertia? Consider that all objects are of the same size. First option, a thermocol ball. B option, a plastic ball. C option, a paper ball. D option, a solid iron ball. So the correct answer is D, a solid iron ball. Number 4, when a car at high speed makes a sharp turn, the driver in the car tends to get thrown to the side opposite to the turn. This is due to the inertia of motion, inertia of time, inertia of rest, inertia of direction. So the correct option is inertia of motion A. Which one of these is not a correct formula? A option, force equal mass into acceleration square. B option, impulse equal change in momentum. C option, force equal mass into acceleration. D option, momentum equal mass into velocity. So the correct answer is A, force equal mass into acceleration square. Now sixth question, according to the third law of motion, action and reaction, A option always act on the same body, B option always act on different bodies in opposite directions, C option have same magnitude at directions, D option act on either body at normal to each other. So the correct option is B, always act on different bodies in opposite directions. Now question number 7, rocket works on the principle of conservation of A option mass, B option energy, C option momentum, D option velocity. So the correct answer is C, momentum. Now question number 8, a man is standing on a boat in still water. If he walks toward the shore, then the boat will A option move away from the shore, B option move towards the shore, C option remain stationary, D option none of these. So the correct answer is A, move away from the shore. So question number 9, a passenger in a moving train tosses a coin which falls behind him. Observing this statement, what can you say about the motion of the train? A option accelerated, B option retarded, C option along circular tracks, D option uniform. Correct answer is A, accelerated. Question number 10, the unit of measuring the momentum of a moving body is A option meter per second, B option kilogram meter per second, C option kilogram meter per second square, D option Newton meter square per kilogram square. So the correct answer is kilogram meter per second, option B. 11th question, a water tank filled up to 2/3 of its height is moving with a uniform speed. On sudden application of the brake, the water in the tank would A option move backward, B option move forward, C option come to the rest, D option be unaffected. So B is the correct option, move forward. Next question 12, momentum of the object is depend on A option mass, B option velocity, C option mass and velocity, D option force. So the correct answer is C, mass and velocity. Question number 13, a wooden block of mass 20 kg accelerates at the rate of 4 meter per second square. Calculate the force applied on the block. Now mass हमें given है 20 kg, acceleration 4 meter per second square. So force का फॉर्मूला होता है mass into acceleration. So 20 into 4 equal 80 Newton. So correct answer है हमारा D, 80 Newton. Now fill in the blanks. First, the momentum of an object is product of its mass and velocity. 15th, according to second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to dash applied force. According to law of conservation of momentum, the total momentum of an isolated system is always conserved. 17th, recoiling of gun is an example of dash law of motion. So third law of motion. 18th, according to third law of motion, to every action there is an equal and dash reaction and they act on two different bodies, opposite reaction. 19th, the forces are said to be balanced if net force is 0. 20, last, when a carpet is beaten with a stick, dust particles comes out. This phenomenon is an example of dash law of motion. First,